Within the vast terrain of global technology businesses, Samsung stands out as a Goliath, exerting its influence across a variety of industries, ranging from shipbuilding to electronics. Samsung is a global leader in the field of technology. A tangled story of power, strategy, and scandals that have played a key influence in defining its climb to the top of the industry chart lies beneath its outward appearance of innovation and commercial domination. This story has been the driving force behind its rise to the top of the industry chart. This article delves into the myriad of factors that contribute to Samsung's widespread ownership, as well as the consequences that result from the company's extensive influence in a variety of fields. But before starting this video again, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic content. Now let's start it again. The rise of a technological empire, 1938, was the year that marked the beginning of Samsung's journey toward becoming the most powerful trading firm in South Korea. This moment marked the commencement of Samsung's adventure, which began that same instant. Strategic diversification into the fields of electronics, semiconductors, and telecommunications over the course of several decades was the driving force behind the business's growth into a global powerhouse, which was propelled by the expansion of the company. It was the company's development into these industries that was the driving force behind this expansion. At the moment, Samsung Electronics is the only company that can be considered a juggernaut that is currently operating. When it comes to displays, memory chips, and smartphones, the company is the undisputed leader in the market. As an additional point of interest, the company has made substantial investments in the construction industry, shipbuilding, and even biopharmaceuticals, which demonstrates that its impact goes far beyond the realm of consumer electronics. The strategy of vertical integration. In Samsung's approach to conducting business, the vertical integration strategy is an essential component that plays a crucial role. You will need to exercise control over every element of manufacturing in order to put this strategy into action. This includes everything from the raw materials sourced to the final goods. In addition to ensuring that the product is of a high quality and efficient in terms of costs, this technique also helps the company to consolidate its position in the market, which is a significant benefit. To provide just one example, the fact that Samsung has complete control over the worldwide supply chain for semiconductors provides the company with a strategic edge in a sector that is extremely important to the field of modern technology. This is due to the fact that semiconductors are sold in every region of the world. Market dominance and competition concerns. Even though Samsung's dominance has been a driving force behind technological growth and innovation, it has also given rise to concerns regarding the amount of competition in the industry. This is because Samsung has been a dominant player in the market. Samsung is extremely close to obtaining monopolistic levels of market control in a multitude of different categories, including the markets for memory chips and smartphones, amongst others. Various categories include the markets for various products. As a direct result of this scenario, regulatory organizations as well as competitors have initiated an investigation into the matter. The argument that they are making is that such dominance stifles competition and innovation, which ultimately leads to a reduction in the number of options that are accessible to customers. Controversies and ethical concerns. Samsung has been embroiled in a number of scandals, some of which have caused damage to the company's reputation. This has been a factor that has contributed to the overall success of the device manufacturer. The business has been involved in a number of legal difficulties, including patent infringement, labor violations in factories, and environmental concerns, despite the fact that it has a generally brilliant appearance. Those who are opposed to Samsung argue that the company's continuous pursuit of profit has, on occasion, led to the company's disregard for ethical considerations and its failure to fulfill its commitments regarding social responsibility. The family dynasty, leadership, and governance. In terms of Samsung's leadership structure, the chaebol system, which is a family-run conglomerate in which control is centered within the founding Lee family, is the defining attribute that distinguishes Samsung from other companies. On the other hand, this system has been praised for its capacity to give stability and long-term vision, despite the fact that it has been criticized for its lack of openness and accountability. As a result of concerns such as succession planning and corporate governance, which have received criticism from both inside and outside the firm, Samsung's image and strategic direction have been badly harmed. This criticism has come from both inside and outside the corporation. Global influence and technological innovation. As a result of the controversy that has surrounded the corporation, Samsung has emerged as a leader in the field of technical innovation. Just two instances of how Samsung continues to push the boundaries of what is possible within the firm are the development of foldable smartphones and breakthroughs in semiconductor technology. Both of these developments will be discussed further below. It has made investments in research and development, R&D, in order to guarantee that it will continue to stay ahead of its rivals and that it will continue to keep its leadership position in important sectors. The future of Samsung. Challenges and opportunities. Taking into consideration the fact that we are looking to the future, Samsung is confronted with problems that emerge from a wide variety of diverse points of view. The company is facing a significant obstacle in the form of these issues. There are a considerable quantity of moving elements and components involved in these tasks, which are often considered to be quite complicated. Customers' tastes for products and services are constantly altering, which is one of the many major challenges that are currently being encountered. This is now one of the many key issues that are being encountered. At this very moment, we are facing one of the most critical problems that we have ever encountered. Additionally, it is essential to take into consideration the fact that there are a great many extra significant challenges. In addition to these enormous hurdles, there are a number of additional challenges that need to be taken into consideration. These include the growing competition from Chinese competitors, geopolitical difficulties that have an impact on global supply chains, and an overall increase in competitiveness. There are a number of factors that contribute to the fact that the competition is considered to be fairly strong. An increase in competitiveness can be attributed to each and every one of these component characteristics, and this is something that can be possible. The development of technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, fifth-generation wireless, 5G, and the Internet of Things, IoT, presents potential for continued growth and leadership. These technologies are all examples of emerging technologies. By taking advantage of these opportunities, organizations have the opportunity to assume a leadership position within their respective industries. During the course of the process of developing these technologies, it is likely that opportunities such as these could reveal themselves. The potential that is made available by modern technologies has made it possible for these opportunities to become a reality, and they are now within grasp. The availability of these opportunities is what is necessary in order to turn the things that are conceivable into things that are available. Conclusion: the supremacy of Samsung is a testament to the firm's success, and it is a tribute to the strategic vision, unrelenting innovation, and worldwide objectives by which the corporation operates. By contrast, beneath the surface lies a complex network of challenges and disputes that accompany its journey to the top of the industry. These challenges and debates are a part of the industry. When it comes to the annals of corporate history, the reputation of Samsung will be determined by the company's ability to strike a balance between growth and ethical responsibility. In order for Samsung to successfully traverse the constantly shifting landscape of global markets and technological breakthroughs, this ability will be absolutely necessary. Although Samsung's ownership and control may appear to be extensive and impressive, it is essential to perform an in-depth examination of the larger consequences of Samsung's power dynamics and corporate practices. This is because it is crucial to understand the implications of these factors. When it comes to maintaining its position as a global leader while also tackling the issues that come with having such a significant effect, the only way for Samsung to do so is for the business to continue to uphold its commitment to transparency, ethical governance, and continuous innovation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.